What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. You guys can see we're in a sprinkler room. We've been here many times before. Got this drain backed up. That drain's backed up. This room's full of water. Typical stuff. Now, we know, well, typically we pull out stuff like wet wipes and it's grease. So I don't know what to tell them. We always tell them, jet the lines, but they don't want to spend the money. So what can we do in that situation? You guys tell me. We come, we do the job. One should work. We're going to use the K60, the 7/8 cable. I believe the last time we did this, the problem was around 30 feet away. But we will see. Need you guys to actually pay attention, okay? Like, pay attention, seriously. Holy shit. Whew. Every goddamn time. Every time. Every time. Doesn't fail. Oh. Not having fun with that. That is crazy. All right, so we're gonna set the K60 up here like this. So this orange pipe is feeding into the drain. Always. We're going to use our big 4-blade cutter. We're going to just put in the whole 30 feet for now. I just gotta go move a broom because I don't want the cable to grab it. And here goes. 15 feet right there. So the manager was telling me that the city sewer backed up on the weekend. And then after they realized that this was still clogged, you guys can see the water's coming over here. And then we got this one over here. Oh, floor drain covers on there. Put that back. That's all drained and out. So, I think we're gonna put in one more cable just to be safe. I know it's clear, but then we'll pull it out to see if we got anything. We'll also run some water. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to put in the rest of the 75 feet. That's 45 right there. That's 60 right there. That's 75. I'm just going to pull it out by hand. One. That's two. That's three. That's four. And that's five. 5 cables, 15 feet each. Looks like just some toilet paper. 5 cables, 15 feet each, 75 feet. That's, and we wrap up our cords like good little boys and girls. You know what I'm saying? So these are two 15-foot cords. I keep these together. Sometimes you only need one, but sometimes you need a little bit longer. That's what she said. I mean, what? There you guys go. I want to thank you for watching. We got that drain cleared at rocket speed. Rocket. Jay. I made these shirts. The tags should have been over here. So I made probably about 10 of them, and they're all over too wide. But that's what happens when you make your own. Should have got them made for me. I was being cheap. What can I say? Yeah. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Do all the things. Till next time, this being Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Toronto.